This video is to help you with the assignment number 4 titled Patient Eating Out. To do this assignment, you actually are going to keep track of what people ate at different restaurants. So you will open up this document, New Patient Interviews. It will open up a new tab for you. On this Google Doc, it will tell you what every person did and what every person ate. So for example, right here, Dana, this tells you that she's a full-time student, that she went to the emergency room at a certain time, and what her symptoms were. And then also right here, it's going to tell you everything she ate, because we know that the disease that these people have is a foodborne illness. When you scroll down, you'll see that the same thing for Jim, same thing for Bonnie, and so forth. You will come back here and open up your patient interview spreadsheet. On this spreadsheet, you see all of these people, all of these patients. So I've done the first one for you. Reading through, right here, we know that Dana, she ate at Pizza Pie. So right here, under Pizza Pie, you're going to check off everything she ate. Now the next one, Jim, if you come over here, Jim, right here, also ate at the Pizza Pie Cafe. He had a veggie pizza with pineapple. So you come over here and highlight pineapple. He also had spinach tomatoes. So spinach. Now you notice that tomatoes aren't on here. That's okay, just disregard it. And then he also had olives and green pepper. So you come over here, olives and green pepper. You will go through and do that for each patient. When you have finished, make sure to turn in your spreadsheet on Google Classroom.